Good morning students. Hi, how you all are? I am fine and I hope the same with you. Okay, come on, let us enter into the class. See, today we are going to see English grammar, the new chapter, that is lesson number 7, pronoun. What we are going to see now? Pronoun. Let us see what is pronoun. Before that, I am going to give some examples so that you will be clear with pronoun. Okay, see here. Dolly is a girl. Dolly likes to play in the park. Dolly likes to ride on a merry-go-round. Okay, see here, see the sentence here. Dolly is a girl. Dolly likes to play in the park. Dolly likes to ride on a merry-go-round. Again and again we are repeating the same name. Okay, we are repeating the same name again. Dolly is a girl. Dolly likes to play. Dolly likes to ride. Again and again we are saying the same name. For instead of the name, we are going to add one word that is called as a pronoun. Okay, see here. Dolly அப்படிங்கிறது யாரு? She is a girl. So நமக்கு தெரியும் Dolly அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு girl. அப்போ நம்ம ஃபீமேலுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ற வேர்ட் என்னது? She. What is the word? She. So she is a pronoun. ஓகேவா? இப்போ அந்த சென்டென்ஸை நம்ம எக்ஸாக்டாக ரைட் பண்ணால் எப்படி ரைட் பண்ணுவோம்? Dolly is a girl. Instead of Dolly, we will write here she. What we will write? She. Why we are writing she over there? Because she is a girl. So we are writing here she. What we are writing here? She. What is the spelling of she? S-H-E, she. She is a pronoun. Okay. Okay, are you clear? See here, again I am telling you, Dolly is a girl. Dolly likes to play. Dolly likes to ride. Again and again we are repeating the same name. So instead of that name, we are going to write one word. That is a she. For female, we write she. Okay. So here I am going to write here she. Dolly likes to play. Who likes to play? She likes to play in the park. Again Dolly is written. So we are talking about one person only. So we are going to write again here she. What you are going to write here? She. So instead of a name, okay, instead of a name, place, animal, things, we are going to write some pronouns. Okay, so that is called as a pronoun. Okay, so now you will be clear that where to put a pronoun and how to use a pronoun, that I will show you. Okay, so this is a pronoun, how to write. Okay, now see the definition for pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay, ma'am. Pronoun is a noun. Dolly is a noun, name of a person. Okay, so it is a naming word, noun. So in the noun, we are going to change it as a pronoun. எப்படி change பண்ணுவோம்? By using she, he, they, it அப்படின்னு நிறைய words இருக்கு, common words இருக்கு. So now we are going only, we are seen that in the place of Dolly we have written she instead of a noun. Instead of a noun, here noun is Dolly. Dolly is the noun. So instead of noun, we have written here a pronoun as a she. Okay, va? So you are clear? Okay, Dolly ki namme enna write pannom? She. So what is the definition for pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. நவுனுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற வேர்டு தான் pronoun. என்னது? நவுனுக்கு பதிலாக instead of noun. Instead of noun. Noun is Dolly. Instead of noun, we are using a pronoun. We can't, we will not use again and again the name of the girl or boy or things or animals. Okay. So, adukku badala nama use pandra word da pronoun. Okay. So, now let us see some exercises. Even one more thing. We have some common pronouns. See here. This is a common pronoun you are going to see in this class. Okay. Some of the common nouns are I, then he, then she, it, they, we. Okay, ma'am. This I will see in this class. Okay, how to write, where to write and how to write we will see in this class. Now I will tell you how I will elaborate this. Okay. Clear. Okay, now we have just seen what is pronoun. Okay, what we have seen that Dolly is a girl, again and again repeating the same name, we are using the pronoun for that word. Okay, that noun. Okay, the noun we are using a pronoun. Okay, here Dolly is a girl, so we have written that she. Now let us see where to use I and how to use the I. Okay, see the definition for I, how to use. Okay, where to use and why to use. The pronoun I is used to talk about oneself. When we are talking about ourselves, okay, when we talk about ourselves, நம்மளை பற்றி நம்ம பேசும்போது நான் எப்படி இருந்தேன், நான் இப்படி இருக்கேன், நான் அப்படி இருக்கேன்னு தான் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? So for example, I live in Mumbai. So here I am talking about myself, so I am writing there I. நம்ம எப்போ நம்மளை பற்றி பேசுகிறோமோ in that space we will use a I. Okay, புரியுதா? கிளியரா? The pronoun I எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணும்? when we talk about ourselves. நம்மளை பற்றி மட்டும் நம்ம பேசும்போது we use the word I. Okay, so I here is a pronoun. So what is the first example I have written is I lives in Mumbai. நான் என்னை பற்றி சொல்கிறேன். I lives in Mumbai. I am a teacher. So I am a teacher. நான் என்னதான் இருக்கேன்? நான் என்னை பற்றி சொல்கிறேன். So I am a teacher. I have 2 kids. So என்னை பற்றி I am writing. Okay, I have 2 kids. அப்போ நான் எத்தனை examples கொடுத்துருக்கேன்? I have given 1, 2 and 3 examples I have given about myself. Okay, when we talk about ourselves, myself, own self, பேசும்போது we will write here I. Okay, so again see here the pronoun I. The pronoun I is used in the place is used to talk about oneself. When we talk about ourselves, we use a I. I is a main pronoun. Okay, now see the next pronoun, that is you. You எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? When you will write the you in the place of noun. Okay, the pronoun you is used to talk about the person. அதாவது ஒரு பர்சனை பற்றி நம்ம பேசும்போது with who we are speaking, அந்த பர்சன் கூட நம்ம பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? when we talk about another person with him, அதாவது அவன் கூட நம்ம பேசிக்கிட்டு இருந்துக்கிட்டே we are talking about him, அவனை பற்றி. Okay, so you are, so see the example, you are looking so cute. Okay, so இங்கே நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? you. அப்புறம் என்னது? are. நல்ல ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. when we talk about the other person, we will write there are. you are. நீங்க. ஓகேவா? you are looking so cute. you have purchased a new car. You have purchased a new car. So that நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம்? you. இப்போ நம்ம next person பற்றி பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? the person, அதாவது என்னது? you is used to talk about the person with whom we are talking with. Okay va, நம்ம யார் கூட பேசிட்டு இருக்கோமோ அவங்கள பத்தி நம்ம அவங்கள்ட்ட பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். Okay va, you are looking so cute, you have purchased a new car, you went to your grandma's house. அப்படி நம்ம you பத்தி நிறைய examples கொடுக்கலாம். Okay, so here we have seen you and I. With related this we are going to do some exercises. Okay, now see the exercise 1. Filling the blanks with pronouns I or you. You have to use only these two words, I or you. Okay ma'am, now enna sonna I is used for ourselves. So inga paru, dash are very kind. I are very kind varuma? No. So what will be the answer? You. நம்ம அடுத்தவங்கள பத்தி பேச போறோம். Okay, we are talking about the other person. You are very kind. Okay, so we are going to write here you. Okay, see the second one, dash am very happy today. Am என்னை பத்தி பேசுறேன். So I, what we will write here? I am very happy today. See the next one, dash are taller than Meena. Dash are taller than Meena. Meena விட நீ ரொம்ப taller, நீ யூஸ் பண்றது. Okay, you, what we will going to write here? You are taller than Meena. Again am, dash am your friend. What you will write here? You are talking about yourself, so you are going to write here I am your friend. Dash are late to school. Whenever you are going to talk about some other person. Okay, so you are going to say with him, you are going to say to him. Okay va, avantu solla poringa. So what you will write there? You. So you are late to school. Okay, so idachi you are clear that where to write you and where to write I. Okay, so shall I repeat again? Fill in the blanks with pronouns I or you. I is used in the place when you are talking about yourself. உங்களை பத்தியே பேசும்போது you will write there I. When you talk about your friend and you are talking with that person, so we will write there you. Okay, see the examples. You are very kind, you are taller than Meena, you are late to school. Some of the examples for I am very happy today, I am your friend. So this is the pronoun which we used today. Okay, what is we use today? I and you. Now next we are going to see he and she. Yes, we have saw I and you. Now we are going to see he, she and it. Okay ma'am, so I la nama enna padichom? We are talking about ourselves. You la enna senjom? We are talking about some other person, but we are talking with him. Okay ma'am, நம்ம அவங்க கூட பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அவனை பத்தி ஏதாவது சொல்றது தான் you. Okay, in that place we have added a you. Now we are going to see he. Where to put a he? The pronoun he is used when we talk about a male person. நம்ம டாலி வச்சு பார்த்தோம். Okay ma'am, டாலி கேர்ள்ங்கிறதுனால நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? she. So இங்க female, he. Female அப்படின்னா boys. Okay ma'am, the male person, sorry, female இல்ல male, sorry, male. Okay, sorry, the pronoun he is used when we talk about a male person. Okay va, male na yaru? ஆம்பளைங்க. Okay va, so gents பத்தி நம்ம பேசும்போது we will write he. So let us see the examples. Amit is my brother. Amit is my brother. Dash is very tall. அமித்ங்கிறது யாரு? பிரதர்னா யாரு? அண்ணன். அப்ப அண்ணனுக்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? he or she, we will use he. Okay, so you will write here he, he. Amit is my brother, he is very tall. Listen here again, I am telling male, so we have used here he. Okay, he use already we have seen in the singular and plural forms. Masculine and feminine gender we have seen. Okay va, so here he is a male person, so we have used he is a male, so we have used here he. Okay, so Amit is a male, so we have used here he is a very tall person. Okay, see the second one, Rohan is a doctor. Rohan என்னதா இருக்காங்க? Doctor. Rohan name specific பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So Rohan ங்கிறதுல girl ஓட name இல்ல, boy ஓட name. So what you will write here? He. What you will write here? He. Spelling of he is H-E-he. He treats patients. அவர் என்ன செய்வாரு? He treats the patients. Doctor என்ன செய்வாங்க? You know. Okay. Now see the third one. Ram is a dancer. Ram is a dancer. So Ram ங்கிறது யாரு? பையன். So what you will write here? He. H-E-he. He dances well. அவன் எப்படி டான்ஸ் பண்ணுவான்? நல்லா டான்ஸ் பண்ணுவான். Okay. See again I am repeating the same one. The pronoun he is used when we talk about a male person. எப்போ நம்ம மேல் பத்தி பேசணுமோ அப்போ we will have to write he. Here Amit is a male, so we have written here he. Rohan is a male person, so we have written here he. Again here Ram, so we have written he. Okay, now see the next one, she, where we have to write a she. See, the pronoun she is used when we talk about a female person. Okay, when we talk about a female person. Female na yaru? Girls. Okay. So see the first example. Seema is my best friend. Seema here, Seema is a girl. Okay, Seema is a girl. Up what you will write here? You will write she. For a girl we will use she. For a boy we will use a he. So see the second one. Ria is a teacher. Dash teachers in a school. Ria is a girl, so we will write there she. What we will write? She. She teaches in a school. Now see the third one. Sridevi is an actor. Do you know the have actor? Actress Sridevi. So she is an actress. What she likes to act. She. So Sridevi is a lady. So you are going to write here she. She. Okay, but female person we use a she, and for male person we use a he. Now see the next. The pronoun it. Where to use it? We use it in the place. We use it when we talk about an animal or a things. Animal அல்லது things பத்தி நம்ம பேசும்போது we use it. Okay. See the example. The lion is a wild animal. Lion is a wild animal. Dash lives in a den. என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க? Do you use you, I, am, is? What you will use? You will use it. Okay, ma'am? அது. We will not say he or she. Okay. நம்ம male or female காமிச்சிருந்தா we can say, but neutral generally காமிச்சிருக்காங்க that the lion lives in a den. Now see the next one. This is my new dress. இது என்னோட new dress. Dash is very beautiful. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? It is very beautiful. The things is very beautiful. So see again I am saying the pronoun it is used when we talk about an animal or a thing. Is an animal or a thing. For example, the lion is a wild animal. It என்னது? Wild animal. Lion na ஒரு animal. Lion is a animal, so we will write there it. Okay. Here new dress. Dress is a things. Okay, man. Dress is a things, so you write it here it. அதனால நம்ம என்ன செய்தோம்? it write பண்றோம். Okay. So again I am repeating the same for you. First we have studied the word to put I, and second we have studied word to put you. Okay. Here we have seen he, she and it. So first onwards I am telling to you, I is what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Okay va? Noun க்கு பதிலா நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற ஒரு word தான் pronoun. So common pronouns என்னது அப்படினு பார்த்தா I, he, she, it, they, we. Okay, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்னலாம் பார்த்தோம்? I பார்த்துட்டோம். I உங்களுக்கு என்ன புரிஞ்சது? That when we talk about ourselves we write there I. When we talk about the other person, we are talking about him. We are talking with him. Okay va? அந்த பர்சனை பத்தி நம்ம பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ அவனை பத்தி நம்ம சொல்றோம் you are looking so gorgeous, you are looking so cute அப்படிலாம் சொல்லும்போது you யூஸ் பண்றோம். Okay. So next one is, I have not written here you, sorry. I am writing here you. Okay. Next is he. When we will use you, we use he when we talk about a male person. Okay ma? When we talk about a boys. Okay. Now she. When we talk about a female person, okay, அதாவது ladies பத்தி நம்ம பேசும்போது we will write a she over there. It. When we will use it, when we talk about an animal or a things, we use a it. Now let us see the exercise about these three words. Okay, these three words. Which are the words? He, she, it. இதை வச்சு related exercise பார்ப்போம். Okay. Now see the exercise 2. Okay. So here we are going to fill the blanks with he, she and it. Okay, ma'am. We are going to write here he, she and it. Okay. So now you have to say where we have to write he, she and it. See the first one. This is my mother. So mother gambode, she is a female. Okay, she is a female. So what you will write here? She. What we will write? She. Mother is a female. She is a doctor. Dash works in a hospital. So here also you will write she. Okay. In the first statement le ungalku therinjittu mother. Okay, mother yaru? Mother is a female. Female na ladies. So mother ku நம்ம என்ன ரைட் பண்ணனும்? she. Okay. See the second one. My father is a banker. Father is a male one. So what you will write here? You will write he works in a bank. Okay. The first one, this is my mother. Mother is a female, so we have written she. Here father is a banker, father is a male, so we have written here he. Now see, this is my pet. Pet nu vandirukku. This is an animal. Pet ingiradhu enadhu? Pet animal. Pet things nu edavadhu iruka? No. So pet is a animal. So animal ku நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Animals things ku நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? It. என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? It. So here we call it. And the pet க்கு பேர் என்னது? Bruno. So we call it Bruno. Dash loves to run and play around the house. எதை பத்தி சொல்றான்? பெட்டை பத்தி தான் சொல்றான். So what you will write here? it. Okay. So this is my pet. Pet is an animal and we call it. அது எப்படி கூப்பிடுவோம்? அது. Okay, அது எப்படி கூப்பிடுவோம்? It. Bruno. It loves. அதுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்கும்? It loves to run and play around the house. See the fourth one. This is my best friend Naina. Name of the girl is given to you. What is the name of the girl here? Naina. So Naina. We go to the same school. Dash is a very good dancer. Appo Naina gardi yaru? She is a girl, so we will write here she. S-H-E, she. Now see the fifth one. This is my bicycle. So bicycle gardi enadhu? Things. Okay ma? Bicycle gardi enadhu? Things. So things can I use பண்ணுவோம்? It. It is blue and green in color. My grandparents gifted dash to me. அவங்க எனக்கு gift கொடுத்தாங்க. என்னது கொடுத்தாங்க? Bicycle. அப்ப bicycle னு எழுத முடியாது. So we are writing it. Okay ba? Why I have written here capital letter and why I have written here small letter? Can you guess it? Yes. Because up to here the statement is completed. Okay. அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் என்ன வச்சிருக்கீங்கன்னா ஒரு full stop. So after a full stop we will use a capital letter. Okay. So this is my bicycle. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன வச்சிருக்காங்க? Full stop. இங்க நான் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன்? I a capital யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Why? Because here completing here it is starting the next line. So it is blue and green in color. My grandfather. இங்க என்னாச்சு? Here completing up to color it is completing one statement. So now next line my grandfather. So here என்ன போட்டிருக்கு? You are written in a capital letter. My grandparents gifted it to me. அப்ப இந்த it small letter la போட்டிருக்கேன். Why? Because it is coming between the sentences. Okay. So gifted it to me. So அதனால தான் இங்க IT இப்படி, இந்த IT இப்படி, caps letter and small letter. Okay. So here I am completing he, she, it. In the next video we will see they and we. Okay. Bye.